Hey everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark, and we are here with the next topic. So all my ninth graders, we were doing the chapter polynomials, right? क्या क्या किया हमने? We have done the classification, we have done the operations there as well. Okay, today we'll be learning about remainder and factor theorem. So let's get started. Firstly, the remainder theorem. As the name itself suggests, इसमें हम remainder की बात करेंगे, right? So let's say we have a polynomial px and it is divided by x minus a. Divisor क्या है हमारे पास? x minus a. So when we divide it by this, then the remainder will be given by p of a. अब ये a यहाँ पे कहाँ से आया? From the divisor x minus a, right? Just a trick to tell you from where we are getting it. Just see this. If we put this equal to 0, we have got x equal to a. So ये value हम x की यहाँ put करेंगे, right? So p of a, that will give us the remainder. So remainder theorem क्या कहती है? If we have a polynomial and it is divided by x minus a, then p of a will give us the remainder after division. Okay, you can verify it with any example there. This means, understand it, instead of performing long division, ठीक है, पूरा डिवाइड करने के बाद हम रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करें, व्हाट वी कैन डू हियर, वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू a डायरेक्टली इनटू द पॉलिनोमियल और हमें डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा रिमाइंडर देयर. ओके, क्या फायदा है इसका? इट सेव्स द टाइम एंड अवॉइड्स द लेंथी कैलकुलेशंस, राइट? मिस्टेक्स भी हो सकती हैं वहाँ पे, दैट ऑल्सो वी कैन अवॉइड देयर. यूजफुल स्पेशली व्हेन वी जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड द रिमाइंडर, नॉट द फुल कोशेंट. कोशेंट की अगर हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है, जस्ट द रिमाइंडर इज रिक्वायर्ड, सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली यूज दिस. अगर कोशेंट और रिमाइंडर दोनों हमें चाहिए, देन वी विल परफॉर्म द लॉन्ग डिविजन फॉर श्योर. उसका कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है यहाँ पे. ओके, लेट्स सी नाउ. Let's take an example. Let's say we have fx is equal to x cube minus 4x plus 1. We need to find the remainder when it is divided by x minus 2. So, what will be the remainder everybody? x minus 2 से अगर divide करेंगे तो x की value क्या put करेंगे? 2 here. So, f of 2 will give us the remainder. Let's find f of 2 here. So, x की जगह 2 substitute करेंगे. 2 cube minus 4 times 2 plus 1. 8 minus 8 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So क्या आएगा remainder after the long division? 1. Okay, next one everybody. Now the factor theorem. See, link करेंगे दोनों चीज़ों को. x minus a को जब हमने divide किया, right? x minus a से जब हमने अपने polynomial को divide किया, so we have got the remainder as, yes, let's say p of a. Okay, so इस वैल्यू से x equal to a, इस वैल्यू से we can go to the divisor and to the divisor we can go to this value of a as well, right everybody? Keeping this in mind, let's come here. Okay, factor theorem. Factor की अगर हम बात करें, let's say we have a number 24. If I say 2 is a factor, that means when I divide this with 2, what will be the remainder everybody? Factor means completely divide करेगा, तो remainder क्या होगा? 0. Same thing here. Okay. If we have px as a polynomial and p of a, that means the remainder is 0. P of a is 0. P of a is what? The remainder, right? That's how we find the remainder. When we divide with x minus a, then we can say x minus a is a factor of p of x. Divide करने के बाद whenever we get the remainder 0, तो वो क्या बन जाता है? The factor there. numbers की बात करें या polynomials की बात करें, remainder 0 है तो divisor हमारा क्या है? Factor. Conversely, उल्टा भी बोल सकते हैं हम, if x minus a is a factor of p of x, तो रिमाइंडर क्या होगा? रिमाइंडर will be 0. So p of a will be 0. Right everybody? Okay then, keeping this relation and this thing in mind, let's move forward. Factor theorem is actually a special case of remainder theorem, right? Remainder हम find out कर सकते हैं using remainder theorem. अब वहीं पे अगर वो remainder 0 हो जाए, तो we can say this is a factor. So एक special case आ गया when this remainder is 0, right? Okay then. The remainder theorem states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. And if this p of a is 0, then x minus a is a factor. Simple. From here, you can understand the remainder theorem as well as the factor theorem. ठीक है, ये दो लाइन बस याद कर लो, understanding all the keywords there. Okay, and keeping in mind how we move from x equal to a to the factor or the divisor and from there to this term there. ये बहुत important है. Understood everybody? चलिए जी. Questions पे आते हैं. Find the remainder when the polynomial px is equal to 2x cube minus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 2. Divisor क्या है? x minus 2. Right? That means remainder will be what? P of a. That is 2. Okay. Put करेंगे value यहाँ P of 2. 2 times 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Let's simplify this. 16, 6 plus 1. 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. So what will be the remainder, everybody? 11, and that's the right answer. Next one. Find the remainder when px, that is x cube minus 4x plus 7, is divided by x plus 3. Divisor क्या है हमारे पास? x plus 3, right? कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ ए शुड बी देयर? यस, क्या मिस्टेक होती है यहाँ पे? मोस्टली साइन की. डिवाइजर हम जनरल फॉर्म में क्या लेते हैं एवरीबॉडी? x माइनस ए. देन वी फाइंड p ऑफ a. साइन चेंज मतलब be careful. That's why I told you this trick. Put this equal to 0 and get the value of x here. Same thing we'll do here. Put this equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 3 पे हम value find out करेंगे. That will give us the remainder. This is just for your understanding. ठीक है, side में लिखना उसे. So we are gonna find the remainder as p of negative 3. Let's substitute the value, everybody. So we have got here minus 3 cube minus 4 into minus 3 plus 7. So we have got here minus 27 plus 12 plus 7. So we have got here minus 27 plus 7, that is negative 20 plus 12. So we have got here negative 8 as the remainder. Remainder negative, positive कुछ भी हो सकता है, any number, right? So we can say negative 8 is the remainder. चलिए जी, next question. Find the value of k if x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. Factor है, इसका मतलब remainder क्या होगा? 0. What is the factor? X minus 3 is the factor. So x की value क्या होगी? X equal to 3. At that value, the remainder will be 0. So we have p of 3 equal to 0. अब इसे evaluate कर लेंगे, right? p of 3, that is 3 square minus k into 3 plus 6, that is equal to 0. When we simplify this, k की value हमें मिल जाएगी and that will be our answer. So let's do that. 9 minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. So we have 15 minus 3k equal to 0. 3k is equal to 15. Negative sign cancel out both the sides. 5 is the right answer, everybody. That means k equal to 5 is that value for which this polynomial will have x minus 3 as a factor. चलिए जी, next question. Determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. कैसे find out करेंगे? Factor मतलब remainder क्या होना चाहिए? 0. So let's see if the remainder is 0 or not, right? Divisor है x minus 3, x minus 1. Okay, not 3, x minus 1. That means at x equal to 1, we will be checking the value of the polynomial. So p of 1. If that comes out to be 0, ये factor होगा. Okay, let's substitute the value here. 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 1. That is negative 2 here. Is the remainder 0? No. That means this is not a factor of the given polynomial. Next one, everybody. Chaliye. A student claims that the remainder when the polynomial fx is divided by x minus 2 is 4. Verify whether this claim is correct. Okay, let's see. हमें find out करना है remainder when the given polynomial is divided by x minus 2. Divisor है x minus 2. So remainder will be, yes, for what value of x will have the remainder? X equal to 2 पे हम polynomial की value find out करेंगे, right? So f of 2, that will give us 2 cube minus 4 times 2 plus 6. That is 8 minus 8 plus 6, that is equal to 6. So remainder क्या आ रहा है? 6. Student ने क्या बोला? क्या है remainder? 4. So is the claim true, everybody? No. The claim is not correct. चलिए जी. Next one. Okay, that's it. Let's summarize what we learned here today. Factor theorem and remainder theorem. Two very important theorems, but very easy, everybody. Okay, एक बार समझ लोगे, then there is no confusion at all. So remainder theorem states that finding if we have fx divided by x minus a, then the remainder is given by f of a. And if this remainder becomes 0, then x minus a is a factor. So remainder theorem, factor theorem. Simple. Okay, a polynomial can be expressed as x minus a into the quotient plus the remainder, right? X minus a क्या है? Divisor here. We are dividing with x minus a, where r is the remainder and qx is the quotient of the polynomial. Substitution of x minus a allows fast remainder calculation without the long division. That's why we find the value of the polynomial at this, let's say f of a. Okay, to check if a linear binomial is a factor, evaluate f of a and verify if it is equal to 0. Simply अगर factor है कि नहीं ये हमें find out करना है. एक linear binomial है हमारे पास. Linear means maximum power is 1. Binomial means 2 terms are there. So we are talking of the form x minus a, x plus a, x minus b, like that. Okay, so क्या find out करेंगे? Remainder. If that is equal to 0, then that is a factor. Okay. Always cross-check factorization by multiplying factors to confirm the original polynomial. Last में जब value आ जाएगी, you can confirm it as and when asked there. Okay, everybody. So that was all in factor and remainder theorem. Now only the factorization part is left there, which we will be covering in the next video. So stay tuned.